avenue should you take to start making 100K plus a year in real estate? I'm referring to doing this part-time while at your job. You heard that right? Yes, doing this part-time. All right, let's start. I'm gonna bring it from the top. Number 5, wholesaling houses nationwide, okay? Yes, you can make great money wholesaling houses nationwide. That means that you have some type of online generator, whether it be PPC, pay-per-click, which is Google ads, Facebook ads, Yahoo ads, TikTok ads, etc., or which is PPL, which is pay-per-lead, which is some of these online real estate companies that they generate leads for you, you pay per lead, all right? You can use either of these to go after nationwide wholesaling, meaning you're getting leads from all over the nation. They're filling out forms and boom, the lead, you get a text message or you might get an email and boom, you call them, etc. It goes into your CRM. Call them back and you try to make a deal. This is a great way. For those who are not familiar with wholesaling houses is a great way to get into real estate without any credit, bad credit, good credit. It doesn't matter. You're not using your credit. All right. So wholesaling houses is where you get a property under contract. So let's say a house is worth $100,000. You get a property under contract for $40,000. You then sell it to an investor, aka a cash buyer, for $50,000. On closing day, the buyer wires in $50,000. The seller gets $40,000. You get $10,000. The buyer gets the house. Everybody's happy. Okay, so this is a great way to make $100,000 plus in 2026. Yes, and if you want to do it part-time, that's fine. Number 4, a lot of people don't know about this and they throw away these leads. Wholesaling mobile homes. Yes, you can wholesale mobile homes. Now, disclaimer, I wholesale mobile homes only when they have the land attached. Some people do it with or without the land. It doesn't matter. I do it when they have the land attached. So if they own the real estate and they don't pay lot rent, I will wholesale those and you can make great money with that niche. Believe me. Now, you got to get off Instagram and believing that everybody's rich and everybody has disposable income. That's not the case. Majority of America lives paycheck to paycheck. So in a lot of these places, they have mobile homes and people live there for generations and generations. And that's just the way they live in that city, town, or area. So you can make great money wholesaling mobile homes. All right. I've talked to some investors where they said they look for land, then they put a mobile home on top of the land, and then they sell it for a retail buyer. I never heard of that strategy because that's not done in my area of North Carolina, which is Charlotte, North Carolina. Shout out to Buzz City. Number 3, this is one of the things I do. Buy houses and rent them out by the room. Ideally, you want a 4-bedroom property or more, but you buy the house and you rent it out by a room. It really works well in major cities where living is not affordable, okay? So you buy a property, let's say a 4-bedroom house, and you're getting $1,000 a room. You're making $4,000 a month gross, all right? So you do the calculations or the math based on the bedroom count, how many of those you need to get to your $100,000 a year. Number 2, all right, this is something I'm also doing, building starter homes. Now, the most important variable is your general contractor. These are for people, obviously this strategy and the rent room strategy, those 2 strategies you require to have money and credit, all right? This too, because you have to get construction loans to build the house, all right? And this is what I'm doing. I'm building houses, first time home buyer price point. You figure if you can do a profit of $40K a house, you need 3, that's $120. All right, but it all depends on your general contractor. As long as you have a general contractor that can get it done, they're all going to say they can get it done and build a good product. That's not the case. So that variable is the general contractor. So I would recommend you talking to other investors in your area for a recommendation of somebody they actually work with and that they would recommend, and calculate their price per square foot to build whatever product you're trying to build, meaning a 1,200, 1,400, 1,500 square foot house. Last but not least, number one way to make 100K plus in 2026, start wholesaling land. I'm telling you, builders need land, all right? Currently, right now, the other day, I just closed on some land from a wholesaler because I have to build houses. I have to build starter homes. So this is a great way to make $100,000. This particular wholesaler, All he does is focus on land, and he told me he's probably doing $30,000 to $50,000 a month. All right, 30 to 50K a month. All right, just wholesaling land throughout the state. So listen, those are my top 5 ways, guys. If you want my wholesaling strategy, check out that pinned comment. In the meantime, look at the video next to me, man. Learn how to make 15K wholesaling houses.